Hey everyone, I'm back doing a review on the Revlon Age Defying 3 Times foundation, and it says SPF 20 in it. I got the color Fresh Ivory. It does not say how long it is supposed to wear, and the coverage on it is light to medium. As you can still see all my moles and freckles and everything, so it's very light coverage. I do actually like the side with the Beauty Blender more because I got a fuller coverage out of it. And on the side that I used the brush, I did have to use an extra pump to get the same coverage as I did with the Beauty Blender. It applied evenly. I did not find it clinging onto any dry spots or anything like that. It looks like your skin, but slightly better. It's very light coverage. But overall, I really like it so far. It is actually 11 a.m. right now, and I just got through applying it, so I'll do a wear test throughout the day, and I actually have a demo of me actually trying it on, and I'll insert the video right now. Looking at my face up close, I think the coverage is about the same with the brush and with the Beauty Blender, but I did use an extra pump on the brush side to get the same coverage as the Beauty Blender side. I don't see it setting anywhere. It actually looks pretty natural. It's a very, very light coverage foundation. Like, you can still see redness and all my moles and freckles and everything through the foundation. But I'll do a wear checking in throughout the day and let you know how it works out. And just to let you know, I did not put a primer on the face because I wanted to see how the foundation acted on its own, and I also have not touched up my face with any powders or anything like that. Well, I'm here to do an update on my foundation. It is now at 2 o'clock, so it's been 3 hours since I first applied it, and as you can see, I'm getting a little shiny. It may be wearing off a little bit around my nose, but other than that, it looks pretty much the same. I think where I put the highlight is kind of more shiny in those areas, so maybe next time not put the highlight, but I mean, it doesn't look bad considering that it has SPF 20 in it, so it's good for your skin. It looks really youthful and just kind of natural. Here's update number 2 on my foundation. It is now 4:31, so it's been about 5.5 hours, and as you can see, it's kind of breaking up a little bit on my skin and just kind of sitting there. As you can see, it's just kind of sitting on my skin right now. I've had worse, but it's kind of fallen off all through here. It's like slowly melting off. It's not like it was a high coverage foundation anyways, but still not the greatest, but still not the worst. I also want to mention that my skin is combination of oily, but it's more oily than it is combination. Around my T-zone and my chin is usually where I get the oiliest, but right now my skin's just looking pretty oily in general. This is my final update. It has been 9 hours since I put the foundation on. It is now 8 o'clock, and as you can see, most of it is rubbed off. it doesn't look that great. Looks like I've been wearing it for 9 hours without any touch-ups. But yeah, thanks for watching.